Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Thursday, March 16, 2023. It is 5:27 and 22 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, toxic BPAs. So let's hop to it here. As fresh produce contaminated with toxic BPA, like chemicals found in food labels, BPA is banned in some countries, but similar chemicals, like BPS, are still allowed. Date March 16, 2023. Source: McGill University. As steps were taken in Canada to reduce the use of biphenyl A, BPA, a toxic chemical linked to prostate and breast cancer, commonly found in plastics, the lining of food cans, water bottles, and paper receipts. In many cases, it has been replaced with similar hormone-disrupting chemicals like biphenyl, SBPS. A new study shows that every day, Canadians are exposed to BPS in the fresh foods they eat, as chemicals migrate from labels on the packaging materials into the food. As BPA is a chemical that can interfere with hormones in the human body and cause adverse health outcomes, including cancers, diabetes, and damage to fertility and the development of infants. The study provides evidence for the first time that BPS and alternative chemicals found in food labels migrate through packaging materials into the food people eat. The scientific researchers examined an assortment of packaged fresh food sold in Canada, such as meats, cheese, vegetables, and bakery products. They also compared fish bought from stores in Canada and the United States for the differences between food wrapped with plastic cling, wrap films, with or without food labels. They found relatively high concentrations of BPS and thermal food labels, like price tags and stickers, where heat is used to print barcodes or unit prices. In contrast, they found little to no BPS in plastic wrapper films, pads, and trays. While Canada does not currently regulate BPS, the researchers show that the amount of BPS found in the food study significantly exceeded the European Union limit, which regulates the permitted amount of substances released from packaging materials, in contrast with food. And considering the number of packaged food items sold with thermal labels, the actual dietary intake of BPS and other chemicals is likely to be high. The study suggests a more thorough risk assessment of BPS and its ability to migrate into food from packaging is needed to help develop regulatory guidelines in the food sector. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.